we came to the Peekupark. Friends, welcome back to our channel Mom's Little Bees. So today we are on top of a hill. This place is known as Yercaud and this mountain is known as Yercaud Hills. So when we were at our home, we were bored because after our quarterly exams, our holidays were started and we were bored. So we came on a trip to this hill. It is too awesome. So let's get started quickly. Now see this climate here. Just 1 minute, I'll show you the climate here. So see this, friends. It's too nice here, but it's freezing cold. But it's too nice. See the clouds touching the mountain. Probably we are inside the clouds. We are 1300 feet above the ground. See there. I think you can see that road. Sometimes it will get covered by clouds and sometimes we can't see that. It's too nice. And else it's getting reddish because of this climate, this weather. It's too cold. It's like we are going to freeze. So friends, see this. Before 2 minutes I could see these trees, but now it's not visible. Now we are going to the restaurant for the breakfast. So let's go. Can't walk, my legs are getting freezed. Now we are inside the restaurant. Chicken chica. So friends, now we are going out to the Peekupark where we can feed birds. So this is the place, this is the plants which give us the coffee seeds, and the plants which are going up the trees are known as the pepper tree. From that only we will get pepper. So friends, we came to the Peekupark. So hi friends, we came to Peekupark and I don't know what we are going to do inside. I think many interesting things are inside. So let's go. So this is the entrance for Peekupark and this is the ticket counter. My dad is getting tickets for us and let's go now. So here there is a cycle. I don't know what's the specialty of that cycle. They are saying it's a kid cycle. On the right, sir. Actually, for 10 minutes we have to pay 100 rupees for that. And here there is a cafe inside the Peekupark, like near the entrance. But I don't know what's the specialty of that cycle. For 10 minutes we have to pay 100 rupees. It's too much. Okay, let's explore the place. In the name is Cochin Bantam chicken. So this is originated from China, and the lifespan of this hen is 7 to 8 years. The next hen, Polish hen. This hen is originated from Netherlands. Lifespan 7 to 8 years. So the next hen's name is originated from Japan, and the lifespan of this hen is 11 to 13 years. So the next hen's name is American White Silky. This is originated from China. Lifespan 8 to 9 years. The next hen's name is Turkey. This is originated from North America. Lifespan 8 to 10 years. This hen's name is Yercaud. This is originated from UK, United Kingdom. Lifespan 8 to 10 years. The next hen's name is Yercaud. Originated from Africa. Lifespan 10 to 15 years. Oh, this is too big. See this hens. And this hen's name is Graham chicken. Originated from United States. Lifespan 7 to 8 years. It's too big. Here. The next hen's name is Egyptian Fayoumi. Originated from Egypt. Lifespan 7 to 8 years. Okay, now let's go. So this is the photo point, and me and my sister are taking photos. Okay, let's move to the next point. So see this friends, there are many parrots here. It's too nice. See, colorful. It's too colorful with the pods, birds. It's too colorful. It's too nice. So let's move to the next place. This is the place where we can feed the birds and see what will happen after this. It was too nice spending time inside this. We can feed the birds, and I'll not say anything, just say it. See what will happen. See this. It's too beautiful. Actually, while holding it, they both were fighting actually. Two parrots were fighting together for the food. See? It was too heavy.
முன்னாடி பயப்படாதா ஒன்னாகதா
It was too nice. Actually, the parrots' nails in their legs were too sharp. But see, Kanchika, my sister, she's scared. She was scared too much. See this? It's like a massage to my hand. Actually, it's biting my sweater. It's too cute. See there? Wow, it's too nice. Okay, now let's go to the next area. But we can't move from this place, it's too nice. That's why we are standing here itself. Actually, these parrots are new parrots, it seems. I don't know whether they are saying it's newborn or they have bought it newly. See this? It's too nice, beautiful. Actually, I was speaking with the parrots. Actually, they are seeing my ring. Okay, let's move to the next place. This is the second part of this place and the last place. Here, this is the place where the biggest parrots are there. See that white one, and I think you can't see that. Yeah, now it's visible. See that? It's too colorful. Actually, I think in this place it was filled with water. See this? Actually, this is the medium-sized parrot. It's too nice. This is the place of dogs. Siberian Husky, and I don't know what's this dog's name. Actually, they named that both dogs as Cookie and Oreo. This is the place where the ducks have been kept. Actually, it's pretty dirty, but it's nice. I'm not saying the place. I'm not saying about the place. Just leave it. It's too dirty, but the ducks were cute. This is the place where the goats have been kept. See that big one. Actually, while going to this area, we thought that something is there like watermelon or something. But after going there, my father said that actually there's a pumpkin. I think you can't see that, but there's a pumpkin. So this is the place where I enjoyed. Actually, this is the second place which I enjoyed. No, third place which I enjoyed. First place is the place, that whole hill. And the second place is the Peekupark, the parrots. Third is this rabbit. Because here we feeded the rabbit. In that area we feeded parrots, and here we are feeding the rabbits. Actually, I asked my father that can we buy these parrots and rabbit, but he told we can't buy, because actually we can't buy here, but we could buy in another place. But our problem is we are in an apartment, so we can't buy it. Animals are not allowed, pets are not allowed. So we didn't buy, and my father said we can't buy. This is ostrich. Everyone knows it. But the scariest thing is, last time we went to another hill. In that area, this ostrich bit my pinky finger, the small finger. It was terrible. It was paining like something. So this is different parrots. and me and Kanchu, we both were playing. It was nice playing in this park. Actually, mostly I don't like park, but today I went and played. It was nice after many days. In our apartment we are having park, but usually I don't go there because it's too boring. Without anyone, I should go, I should play, I should come. So why I should go there? That's why I'm not going there. If my friends are there, we'll go sit in that horse. Actually, that rotating one. We'll sit in that and we'll speak something. That too only 1 or 2 times. Or else we'll just do cycling. So watch what we are playing and how we are enjoying. So we enjoyed a lot in the Peekupark, and now the time is 3:30. So we are feeling hungry, and while moving to our car for going to the restaurant, we saw a shop. Whenever we are going out, we'll buy some things. So nothing interesting is there in that shop for us. So we started to have our lunch. We started to go to our restaurant. So now we are going to have our lunch. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for the upcoming and the interesting Yercaud vlogs. Thank you and bye. So friends, I hope you enjoyed, and bye. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.